7.5 out of 10, 12 Monkeys, 1995, offers a visually stunning and intellectually stimulating experience, driven by outstanding performances and a thought-provoking narrative. While its complexity and dark tone might not be for everyone, those who appreciate intricate storytelling and philosophical depth will find much to admire. Explore this time-traveling odyssey and discover a film that challenges and entertains in equal measure.